What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I planted Jerusalem artichokes last year and they did great until they got so big that the grow bag fell over. So I'm planning on growing some again. I actually bought these from the farmer's market. I'm going to plant them right here, and then after they start growing, I want to hammer in a T-post on each side with some string or twine to keep them all supported, so we can get some Jerusalem artichokes this year. First things first, my little tool guy broke shovel at work, so I said that'll be great for my garden. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead, pull back this mulch layer. I see a couple bits of grass that I'm going to clean up too. This was an onion from last year. I'm just leaving this in here. Hopefully it'll continue to grow. I'm pulling back some of the soil around it, so hopefully it can bulb up some more. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to put these guys in, and we'll see how they do. So basically dug down maybe about 4 inches or so, and I don't know if you've seen it, but this growth actually poked through the plastic, and there's another that poked through right here. So it is basically actively growing. I kind of want to break this a little bit. I don't know if breaking it's going to help or hurt it at this point, but we'll be able to figure it out. Man, that was a big guy too. Let's just do it. Oh my. Okay, well, I got this guy, so hopefully I can do that. Now, I know typically with potatoes, I'd want to let that scab over, but not happening right now. Got a nice worm in the soil. Oh, got another one. This one has a little node started on it, so I want to make sure that's pointing up. Okay, so this line's planted. Wow, look at that. And that one has a big root on it too, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, let's pull this back. And yeah, wow, these were some huge. Like, all the ones I've ever seen were like this big. And see what's pretty neat. See, like I said, it's already got roots and a little bit of growth. So the growth is going up similar to like a potato. Wow, this one here's got a bunch. Even. So I'm throwing that one in the hole too. goodness. I'm gonna try for at least 2 out of this. Come back. Baby, come back. And if you guys have noticed, I have a squirrel deterrent because those guys are just kind of pains in the butts. I've had them dig up multiple strawberry plants that I just planted in this bed. So then I had to put the chicken wire here so to help prevent them from doing that. So basically almost 5, 8, like $8.30 worth of Jerusalem artichokes for me. I'm gonna go ahead, water these guys in right now. We were at like 20 days with no rain, and now the rain barrel is filled. Okay, beautiful. So that was like 2 gallons of water. I'm gonna go ahead, let these guys grow. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you can come see when these Jerusalem artichokes start to grow. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day. And one of my master gardener friends, she calls them a fartichoke because it actually can upset your stomach.